Morning, dear children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good
Good
ma'am.
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning,
we are fine.
all.
Ma'am, we are fine.
We're fine.
All of you have taken your breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Watch your video. I should see your smiling faces. Please switch on your video. Yes, Aparna. Good morning. What have you taken in your breakfast, Aparna?
Ma'am, I have Chura Kadal.
Okay, Priyabrat. Priyanka, what you have taken? Priyanka, have you taken your breakfast? Priyanka Mahapatra.
Ma'am, roti and sabji.
Roti and sabji. Okay, Stuti. What about you?
Ma'am, I have also taken roti and sabji.
Roti and sabji. Is anybody is there who has taken fruits? Nobody. How many of you?
Ma'am, I have an apple.
Apple. You have taken an apple. How many of you like fruits? Raise your
Ma'am,
hands.
I like fruits.
Raise your hands. How many? Yes, Rudra, Aparna, Stuti. Very good. Those who are taking
Ma'am, I
fruit,
don't have the raise hand option, ma'am, so I can speak.
healthy, right? If you are taking a fruit, it's called a healthy food. Instead of the oily snacks, we should take a fruit. And Cleopatra, an historical figure. She loves figs. Figs is a fruit. She loves it. And we are going to read a paragraph on this. Sakti, can you please present it? Yes, Sakti is presenting. Who wants to read it? Who can read?
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I?
can
Ma'am,
I
may
read?
I?
Purnima. Okay, Purnima, please read.
Yes, ma'am. Fig, supposedly the favorite fruit of Cleopatra, has lots of nutritional values and can be a good replacement for unhealthy snacks. Go figure. Figs, considered the ancient fruit, have many historical references. Some scholars believe that the forbidden fruit eaten by Eve was in fact a fig and not an apple. Fascinating, isn't it? This was also said to be Cleopatra's favorite fruit, succulently sweet with a texture that combines the chewiness of the flesh, the softness of the skin, and the crunchiness of the seeds. Figs are both delicious and nutritious. Recent studies have revealed that they may be helpful in treating an array of medical issues, including diabetes and eczema. Health benefits. Figs in every form, raw or dried, are good for you. They are rich in vitamin A, E, and K. Just 1 ounce of dried figs contains 3 grams of fibers, which helps alleviate constipation, lower cholesterol, and control blood sugar levels. Figs are a good source of calcium, potassium, and magnesium, all of which aid bone health and can ward off other health issues as well.
Continue, please continue. Next, Ayushman, can you read? Ayushman,
Yes.
can you please read?
Yes, ma'am. Shall I continue from where she left?
Raise your hands. Please read.
Figs are a good source of calcium, potassium, and magnesium, all of which aid bone health and can. Uh, Shakti, can you please zoom? All of which aid bone health and can ward off other health issues as well. They ease the triglycerides levels in blood and contribute to improving heart's health. Consuming dried figs can increase the hemoglobin levels in the blood. Figs also rejuvenate the skin and prevent wrinkles. How to eat? Figs can be consumed in any form, but they are also a great ingredient to experiment with. Figs can be cooked with oatmeal for a healthy meal. They can also be roasted with honey for caramelized appetizers or roasted with meat to add a sweet zest to the savory sauce. Fig chutney and fig jam are a huge hit with kids, while a fig cocktail is sure to keep the adults appeased. When to eat? Figs prepare your body for the dreaded winter. 3 figs a day are sufficient enough to help in weight loss if needed, in making your skin and hair healthier, and provide immunity against several I- illnesses. The ideal consumption should be before evening, and consumption ma- majorly depends on individual needs.
Thank
What,
you so much.
ma'am,
Thank you.
little is left.
Okay. So the individual needs, according to the individual needs. Now all of you please look at the blackboard. Note it down in your PISA copy. First note it down this point in your PISA copy. What is fig? Fig is a fruit which is also called Cleopatra's favorite fruit. So Cleopatra is not taking an apple, rather she prefers to take a fig. It contains vitamin A, E and K. It is also called ancient fruit. It is greatly known for its nutritional values and it is called the ancient fruits. Are you dear children writing? Are you all
Yes,
writing?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Aparna.
ma'am, blackboard is blurred.
Not visible? Now
No,
it is
ma'am.
visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Write it down. Next. First of all, which nutritional value do we get in figs? Which nutritional value do we get in figs? Please tell. Nutritional value. Which nutritional values take your children? Can anybody tell?
Can I?
Please tell.
Ma'am, it's rich in vitamin A, E, and K.
Vitamin A, vitamin, correct? A, then
Vitamin E.
vitamin E, right? Anything else? You have read better?
Ma'am, in
Ma'am,
potassium
it's
and
also rich
magnesium
in
and calcium.
fiber.
Potassium, potassium,
Fiber.
And calcium.
and magnesium. Correct.
Calcium लिख दे.
Yes, ma'am. Also magnesium.
Yes, ma'am, magnesium.
Magnesium. What more is there?
Ma'am, it's rich in fiber also.
Fibers. Very good. Fibers. So nice. Write it down in your Pisha copy. I hope all of you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, students. Now the benefits of figs. Benefits of the fruit. Figs. Put the heading benefits of figs. One by one you have to take. There are so many benefits children. One. You have to take.
Controls blood sugar
Yes,
level.
Joy.
Ma'am, it controls blood sugar
Switch on your
level.
video. Switch on your video. Everybody should see. Yes. Please tell. Control
Ma'am, blood sugar level.
blood sugar level. Okay. Control blood sugar level. Thank you. Anybody else?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
say?
it lowers cholesterol.
Lower cholesterol. Good. Look at your spelling. Cholesterol. Huh? Next.
Ma'am, it alleviates constipation.
Correct. Very good. Constipation. Alleviate constipation. Cleopatra is the most beautiful
Ma'am.
queen. Okay? For her, there were 3 wars better to get her. She was very beautiful, slim and trim, health conscious, luscious hair, good skin. So 3 kings, they want her. Julius Caesar, have you heard the name Julius Caesar? Julius Caesar is written by your William Shakespeare also. There he has mentioned, it's a play. He has mentioned that he fought and he got Cleopatra. Okay? Next.
Ma'am, can I say one more point?
Stuti, bolo beta.
Ma'am, it also eases the triglyceride levels in blood.
Yes, hemoglobin levels. Correct. Increase hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. HAEMO. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin level. In blood.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the benefits of eating figs?
Can I?
Priyanka, please tell.
It's also rejuvenate the skin and prevent wrinkles.
Very good. It also makes healthier skin, makes healthier.
Ma'am, it consists high level of potassium and calcium.
Yes, that is the nutritional value that we have written better. But benefits. It also
Ma'am,
improves
it
the
also improves the health of heart.
correct health of heart. Improves the heart. Heart's health. Means healthy heart. You are going to get healthy heart. Healthy heart. What more?
Ma'am, it's helpful in treating medical issues like diabetes and eczema.
Okay. Then bone health also. It improves the bone health. And immunopower. It increases immunopower. Immunopower. Or you can say it increases immunity. Direct exercise increases immunity. Right? Then how to eat it, beta? Shall we cook it? How to eat? Sakti, please show how to eat. Write it down, dear
Ma'am,
children.
it can be.
Yes, Priyanka?
Ma'am, it can be cooked with oatmeal for a healthy meal.
Good. Figs can be cooked with oatmeal for a healthy meal. Very good. And it can also be roasted. Can be taken with honey. We can make sauce out of it. And the kids will
It can be also
happily
roasted
take
with meat.
sauce. Then when to eat, beta? Shall we take it in the evening? Shall we take it in the
Yes,
evening?
ma'am.
No. Before the evening.
Before the evening.
All the fruits you should take before the evening. Because after evening if you are taking, then it may cause acidity. So it has the restriction, fruit should be taken before evening. Right? Same thing. This fruit also we should take before the evening. And
Ma'am,
according to the individual needs, we should take. We should take according to the individual needs. Have you completed this?
ma'am, can
Yes,
I
ma'am.
add one more point?
हाँ हाँ स्तुति बोलो बोलो बेटा. It's a very
Ma'am,
good
it
thing.
also helps in the weight loss.
Weight loss. Yes. Weight loss. One point we have left also weight loss. Here the point is left as a rightly Shruti has pointed out that it is a very good food to take for those fatty people, those who want to lose their weights can have it and can also lose the weights. Now shall I take a test basing on this chapter? Shall I take a test, dear children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Ayusman, Now stop the screen and please let us have a taste. You can write it in your copy and give the attachment. In the attachment, you can write.